Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jaggery Lollipop. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of jaggery, 50 milliliters of water, and a small pinch of cardamom powder for a lovely aroma. Also, have your lollipop sticks ready and a greased surface, like parchment paper or a silicone mat, for when it's time to shape your delicious treats. Now, let's begin the cooking process. Place your 250 grams of jaggery into a heavy-bottomed pan. Add the 50 milliliters of water. Heat this mixture over a medium-low flame, stirring continuously. The jaggery will gradually melt and combine with the water, forming a smooth syrup. Be patient and keep stirring to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once the jaggery has melted, continue cooking the syrup. The key here is to reach the hard crack stage, which is typically around 149 degrees Celsius. You can test this by dropping a small amount of syrup into cold water. It should immediately harden and become brittle. Just before taking it off the heat, stir in that pinch of cardamom powder for an extra layer of flavor. With your syrup at the perfect consistency, it's time to form the lollipops. Carefully spoon small, round portions of the hot jaggery mixture onto your greased surface. Work quickly, as it will start to set. Immediately insert a lollipop stick into each portion. Let them cool completely at room temperature. Once firm, you'll have delicious homemade jaggery lollipops ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.